Imagine a high-stakes space mission, meticulously planned to deliver critical supplies to astronauts aboard the International Space Station, only to be derailed by unexpected engine failures. That's exactly what happened to Northrop Grumman's Cygnus XL cargo ship, leaving mission controllers scrambling to salvage the operation. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this delay have been prevented? Or are such setbacks an inevitable part of space exploration? Let's dive into the details. On September 16, 2025, the Cygnus XL, carrying over 11,000 pounds of essential equipment and supplies, encountered two premature engine shutdowns during its journey to the ISS. These malfunctions forced flight controllers to halt the carefully orchestrated rendezvous, postponing the spacecraft's arrival indefinitely. The issue arose during maneuvers designed to raise the ship's orbit, a critical step in aligning with the space station. NASA confirmed in a blog post that while the main engine failed twice, all other systems aboard the Cygnus XL were functioning as expected. However, the cause of the shutdowns remains unclear, and engineers are working tirelessly to devise an alternative plan to resume the mission. The Cygnus XL was launched on September 14th from Cape Canaveral, riding atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. After a successful separation from the booster's upper stage, the cargo ship began its planned sequence of rocket firings to intercept the ISS. Unlike SpaceX's Dragon and Russia's Progress spacecraft, which dock autonomously, the Cygnus relies on the station's robotic arm for capture and berthing, a process that adds complexity to the mission. The original plan was for the Cygnus XL to be captured on September 17th, but this timeline is now on hold as engineers troubleshoot the issue. And this is the part most people miss. This mission holds particular significance for Northrop Grumman. After an earlier Cygnus spacecraft was damaged during transit from Europe to Cape Canaveral, the company has been eager to prove its reliability. The Cygnus XL, an upgraded version with increased cargo capacity, represents a major milestone. Dina Cantella, deputy manager of NASA's Space Station program, highlighted its importance before the launch, noting that the XL variant is 1.6 meters longer and can carry an additional 2,600 pounds of cargo. For its maiden voyage, the ship is loaded with spare parts, research materials, crew supplies, and even holiday treats for the astronauts. Among the cargo are critical consumables like nitrogen, oxygen, food, and even toilet parts, as well as spare components for essential systems, such as the station's urine processor. We're restocking these items after facing shortages over the past year, Cantella explained. It's crucial to build a reserve for the future. NASA funds cargo missions using both Cygnus and Dragon spacecraft. To date, SpaceX has completed 32 successful Dragon resupply missions, while Northrop Grumman has executed 20, not including the current mission. Both companies have faced challenges, with each experiencing one in-flight failure early in the commercial resupply program. The Cygnus XL launch marks the third of at least 4 SpaceX flights contracted by Northrop Grumman as the company works to recover from its earlier setback and develops its own new booster. This mission also underscores the growing demand for larger cargo capacity as space station operations expand. Here's a thought-provoking question. As private companies like Northrop Grumman and SpaceX take on more responsibility for space logistics, how should we balance innovation with the need for reliability? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the future of space exploration.